and welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today we're going to have a look at a cheap L bracket for the Fuji X-T30. This is the X-T30, and what I found is the grip is a little bit small. The main problem I found is where the tripod mount is. If you put any kind of mount on there, it goes over the battery cover, so I can't actually remove the battery. So I had a look around for some L brackets. I've got the small rig one for the X-T3, which is like £50–60. I didn't want to spend that kind of money. I looked for a cheap one. So on Amazon, came across this, and it's made by Fuji X-T30. But they're made by different people, Nui and all those sort of people. It's the L bracket, and they say you can get to the battery when it's on. It's quite nicely made for saying it's cheap. I'll put a link to it in the description below. I believe it was £16.99 off Amazon. But yeah, it's quite nicely made. ArcaSwiss mount on the bottom, ArcaSwiss on the side as well, and there's a gap there for cables and that to come around as well. Not quite the same quality as small rig, but still pretty good. Let's see how it fits. You do get two Allen keys. The little one is for taking the actual hand grip off, and the main one for there. Tighten that up. Only downside, I suppose, is it says X-T10 and X-T20 just there. But there you go. That's not too bad. Now the battery compartment. Yes, we can get the battery in and out. And with that mount being there, I've got more room for a different adapter for that. So I'm going to put the Manfrotto plate on. It'll be clear. But I've also got the ArcaSwiss I can use. I didn't particularly want the L bit, so just take that off. And they have thought about this as well, because they've actually put locking pins here so that when it is tightened up with a screw, it doesn't twist, which I thought was quite a good idea. So when it's on without that, it's quite a neat package. It gives a good grip. So I think for £17, it's ideal. Just gives that extra bit of grip. Lovely made. Can go straight on my tripod. Yeah, excellent. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see any more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when more come out, hit that bell button. Until next time, see you later.